This video, we're going to take a look at vertical lines. Mind you, vertical lines are going straight up and down, just like our y-axis. Okay? So the first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick 2 points along this line. I'm going to pick this point here, and I'm going to pick this point here. I'll make them nice and big so you can see it. This point here is at 3, 0. And this point here is at 3, 4. So now, there is something special about vertical lines, and we're going to figure out our slope to figure out what that something special is. Mind you, slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to label my points. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now it doesn't matter which one you pick for x1 and y1, as long as you have 2 separate points. So now, to plug them into my equation, m equals y1 minus y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 4 minus y1, which is 0, over 3 minus 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now, a lot of us are going to want to say, okay, well, our slope is 0. But be careful. Let's use our calculator to double check that. So I'm going to go calculate for what this says, really just says undef, but that stands for undefined. So when you do 4 divided by 0 in the calculator, you're going to get something that says undefined. Why? Because that's the kind of slope that we have here. This slope is undefined. Think about it this way. If we were trying to measure a mountain, because that's where the word slope comes from, if we were trying to measure a mountain, could we measure how high this mountain was or how steep this mountain was? No, because could you climb a mountain that went straight up in the air? No, you can't climb walls, can you? So here, our slope is not 0. If you have a vertical line, it is important for you to remember, your slope is undefined. We cannot walk up a straight wall. We can't. If this was a ramp, we couldn't walk up that ramp. That ramp would be undefined. Okay?